Ever pondered over recycling or creating unique garden art from unwanted items? Dive into the world of upcycled creations, where discarded materials are transformed into incredible garden masterpieces. So, buckle up and stay tuned as we reveal the top 5 upcycled garden creations. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have upcycled tire planters. Picture this: old, discarded tires revitalized with vibrant paint, brimming with lush soil and blooming plants. A truly unique feature, adding a dash of color and life to any garden. Who knew tires could bloom into something so beautiful? At number 4, we find the glass bottle garden border. Picture this: used glass bottles, flipped upside down, and neatly buried in a row. This creates a vibrant, unique border around your garden. Bottles in the ground, a border that's sure to astound. Climbing to number 3, we have the garden ladder shelf. Picture an old, forgotten ladder now painted and adorned, serving as a unique vertical garden shelf. A clever way to elevate your greenery. An old ladder turned into a charming display. Who would have thought? Almost at the top, at number 2, is the pallet herb garden. Imagine taking an ordinary, used wooden pallet and turning it into an extraordinary vertical herb garden. With a bit of creativity, you can breathe new life into old pallets. From pallet to garden, truly a transformation. And finally, riding its way to number 1 is the bicycle planter. Picture an old bicycle, splashed with vibrant paint and adorned with a profusion of plants. It's more than just a ride, it's a garden centerpiece. A bicycle that brings life, not just a ride. That wraps up our top 5 upcycled garden creations. From tire planters to bicycle planters, we've seen how upcycling can transform our gardens while helping the environment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, keep upcycling.